Dear viewers and engineers, welcome back to Building Construction. Greetings of the day. I am presenting a different subject which is called self-leveling. The following steps are involved in the applications which would normally take place over 2 to 3 days. Let's start. First of all, we have to cover all the existing equipments before starting surface preparation. These are the work procedure. First, surface preparation, all the item you can see in, you can zoom pause and see that and note it down. Okay, I already mentioned in the, after cleaning, grinding, everything done, after surface preparation finish, then we have to do this vacuum. Okay, so no dust should be present on the surface of the existing concrete prior to application of Nitomotor TC2000. As you can see in the video, he immediately cleaning the surface, and another crew is applying the Nitomotor TC2000. I will show you this product. Let me zoom. See, this is the Nitomotor TC2000 base and hardener. We have to mix together and apply on the concrete. So whatever misalignment, whatever irregularities, it will become leveled. After that, we have to apply for the Nitoprime 31. After Nitomotor TC2000, we have to go for Nitoprime. Okay, as per the manufacturer instruction, you have to follow the interval time in between each application. There is a data sheet. You have to follow that data sheet for time interval. Okay, this is the application of Nitoprime 31. We have to apply after Nitomotor TC2000. Okay, the one thing is most important is surface preparation. Okay, thoroughly prepare the surface so to achieve the bonding between the substrate and new floor. Okay, then we will go for self leveling. These are the 4 components. Okay, this is, you see in the bag, this is the sand, and one is the color. For we are adding the small one is for color, gray color, or you can choose any other color also, and another is hardener. Then we have this, we have to mix all these 4, and minimum 3 minutes you have to mix it till it's become uniform. After applying that Nitoprime 31, you have to allow for curing 24 hours. Okay, please follow the manufacturer recommendations. This is the force rock material. Maybe you might use other material. So whatever material you use, please follow that manufacturer recommendations, because it is based on the temperature and all this duration and all. So go for data sheet and manufacturer recommendation, but this is the procedure as we are doing. We have to mix. This is you see, this is the small box. This is for color. This will give you gray color. Okay, if you want another color, you can take another color also as per your booking. Now this is the hardener. We have to mix this. This is the hardener. After application, the surface become hard, and the minimum 5 mm thick. We have to make the 5 mm thickness of the self leveling as per the manufacturer recommendation. After adding this, we have to mix 3 minutes minimum. Add all those 4 components and mix 3 to 4 hours. See, this is the adjustable spread no trowel. There is a nails. We have marking on the 5 mm, as you can see in the video. Then we have to use this spike tools and spike roller in use for air release and leveling, as you can see in the video. Those helpers wearing spike shoes. So this is the we have done. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe the channel and see more valuable videos. Thank you.